Yo, back again, it's T-NUELZ. How you're doing? I'm excited to be on your screen, and today I'm jumping on this one without wasting time. And so I had all fingers pointing to Jefferson airplane in the recent time. So I'm gonna be looking at that and on this one, White Rabbit. It's actually my very first time, so I'm really excited with that, feeling of suspense. Like, what am I about to see? So do want to stick around till the end of the video. Like, comment, and share. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And of course, if you're new to the channel, go ahead to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to be updated with our content as they drop. So without wasting time, we're just gonna check this out. Do want to stick around. Let's milk this. Yeah. The bass. Okay. I'm big on guitar, so yeah, let's go.
One pill makes you larger,
Ooh.
and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do
Woohoo.
anything at all.
Wait. What voice is that? What voice is that?
One pill makes you larger,
Look at that.
and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do
Ooh.
anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall.
She has a very nice grip on her voice, like she has a control, serious control over it.
Giving you a call. Call Alice when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice, I think she'll know. Logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead.
Peach is correct.
Night is talking backwards, and the Red Queen's on with her head. Remember
What?
the Donald said.
You will probably not know that this lady is doing an amazing job. Like, you, if you're not like musically sensitive all round, you probably wonder what's going on here. Like, I'm I'm real with you. But a lot is just happening within this short time. A whole lot is just happening within this short time. Woohoo! And it is short. I think we can go through that again. Yeah, it won't hurt. Nice work on the snare. Yeah.
One pill makes you larger,
Oh, I love
and
that.
one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do
Ooh.
anything
Don't do.
at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em I'll cut smoke
We're going up.
Poor Alice, when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard
They just kept inverting, inverting.
and you just had some kind of mushroom and your mind is moving. Oh, I started
Nice, nice.
this, I think you'll know. Logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's on with her head. Remember what the dormouse said. Leave your
I mean, it is such a beautiful tone. The sound is amazing. The story of the song is also amazing. And the lady singing has a unique approach. She has a very different and unique approach to her style of music. Yeah, I actually enjoy it when people stick to their style because that's actually what makes them different, unique. You know, let something about you stand out when we think about you or when we talk about the category you fall in, and then your difference, your style just differentiates you from others. Jefferson, she has a beautiful voice and a unique way to use her voice, and I just enjoyed all that within this 2 minutes 28 seconds performance. White Rabbit. Thank you guys for bringing this my way, and I'm sure you had a nice time too. Let me know what else to react to if this interests you. And of course, I know she has a lot of fans out there. Let me know what else to react to from her. God bless you guys. So do what to like the video, comment, and share. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And of course, let me know what you experienced with her or with this is in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to have that. And of course, if you're new to the channel, go ahead to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss our content as they drop. And if at any point you want to show your love, your support, your encouragement and appreciation to the channel for what we do here, you can go ahead to do that through the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description box, and I'll be more than grateful to have you do that. So guys, until next time, I'm T-NUELZ. Be good, be safe, and stay blessed. Yeah.